Currently, everybody is talking about thin glass in the flat glass industry. The biggest trend is to use an ultra-thin glass as the middle pane for a triple IG unit and to replace a conventional double glazing with this unit with the same overall thickness without even changing the frame. With more than 35 years experience in the processing of technical glass, we were able to design the first high automated system to load, cut and process the cut glass in a high automated way to the next process step. So thin glass brings truly innovation to the building, efficient, light and ready for the future.